Let's make a pot of one of our favorites. It's sausage and tortellini soup. It's so delicious. You're absolutely going to love it. You're going to start off with a mirepoix, which is just a classic combination of onions, carrots, and celery, and dice them nice and fine. You can also just pop these into a food processor. Just make sure you don't blend them until super smooth. You just still want to have a little texture in there. Once those are out of the way, chop up a few cloves of garlic and set those aside separately. I went ahead and browned 1 pound of sausage out of the casing. I did a mix of hot and sweet until it was pretty much fully cooked through. I discarded some of the fat, and then I went ahead and added my mirepoix mixture. Give that a stir and cook it for just a few minutes, and then I went ahead and added my garlic and cooked it for 1 more minute just to cook out that raw garlic flavor. Then I came in here with some white wine to deglaze the pan, but this is totally optional. You can skip it if you want. I just like the flavor it gives, and it gives a good little balance of like acidity. Go in with your stock of choice. I'm just using water and some Better Than Bouillon chicken base. Get that to a simmer and simmer for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I like to come in with a splash of cream because this is a creamy version and I just love it. Let it simmer up until it comes back to a boil. Add in your frozen tortellini of choice. I always do a 3 cheese because it's our favorite. And then just cook that long enough until the tortellini is fully cooked and everything is done. Adjust the seasoning to taste. And then I went ahead and served it with extra parm. I like to do a little extra kick of hot pepper flakes, a little parsley, and that is it. It's so easy. The recipe's on the caption. Please make it. I just know you'll love it, especially now that the colder temperatures are here. It just calls for it. It's so good.